Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Isuzu key remote. So let's pick it up and double check it's the same as yours before we start. It's a 2-button key remote. If we flip it on the end there, as you can see here, there's a cutout. So if we get a small screwdriver and just pop that in there, hold the key firmly, and it just starts to release the back. Work the screwdriver along, don't go too mad, and then you don't mark your key. And as you can see, that quite easily released the back off the key. Now your battery is housed in here. This is like a little rubber waterproof seal. If you just peel that back with your fingers, that comes off, and that reveals your battery, which is placed in positive side up. Now be careful releasing this because there's some metal pins here and you don't want to break them or you're going to have a bad time. So just carefully go in this side where it's hooked in via the plastic, push it down, and as you can see, that just flicked out. So the battery in this one today is a CR1620. Not sure if you can see that. Now your positive side is a smooth side, your negative side always has a domed edge. So as we're going back in with a new battery, remember what I said about these pins. So the battery hooks in this side, but hook it in this edge first on the pins. So just be careful and just put it into place and slide it back with your thumb, and it should just bend those pins back and clip in nicely. Now when you put the rubber seal back on, there's a square edge, put that to the cutout at the top there, and then just carefully run your thumb around it, make sure it's back in and sealed to keep it nice and watertight. Get the back of your key, line everything up, and that should just clip back together like that. And that's job done on your Isuzu key remote. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.